There are many products available to choose dog stairs and ramps, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dog stairs and ramps from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. PetMaker Indoor-Outdoor Pet Stairs. One of the top-rated dog stairs on Amazon, with nearly 13,000 reviews and a 4.2-star rating. These plastic dog stairs offer plenty of security for small dogs and puppies who are less stable on their feet. The stairs have both raised side rails and a short rise of just 4 inches. They also have felt pads that can add traction to each step, and the set is suitable for use inside and outside. The plastic is very easy to wipe clean, plus the felt pads lift up when you need a more thorough wash. No worries about muddy paws or accumulated dog hair. If there's any downside, it's how narrow these steps are. Even though the weight capacity is an impressive 120 pounds, big dogs may have trouble navigating such a tight set of stairs. Number 2. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs. Amazon reviewers love these dog stairs. They've been reviewed a whopping 64,000 times, and counting. Users love that the stairs come in 2 sizes. One more suitable for a sofa or a taller version for a high bed. Both have raised side rails for security and fabric treads for traction. Unfortunately, the treads on this model aren't removable for cleaning, but you should have no trouble wiping down the plastic. The stairs are wide enough for large breeds to navigate, but the 6.25-inch rise is on the high side for small dogs, particularly those with pre-existing mobility issues. Pet owners with big dogs will appreciate the high 150-pound weight capacity too, and an even more impressive 200 pounds for the bed stairs. Number 3. PetSafe Happy Ride Telescoping Dog Ramp. A telescoping ramp is one of the easiest ways to get your dog into the car when they need a little bit of help. And since this one supports up to 400 pounds, you can even use the ramp to assist your dog safely up the ramp. Just follow the guidelines for positioning based on the size of your dog. Small dogs require a more gradual incline. Despite its durability and stability, the ramp is relatively lightweight. It weighs just 13 pounds, which is less than your average baby stroller. And because it collapses flat, it's exceptionally easy to store when not in use. Just keep in mind, no matter how gradual the incline, you may need to exercise patience while your dog gets comfortable with the ramp and the fact that it doesn't have any sides. Number 4. Best Pet Supplies Foam Pet Steps. Like a mattress in a box, these foam dog stairs come fully compressed for easier shipping. When they arrive, simply unbox and release the vacuum seal to watch the stairs expand right before your eyes. Once fully expanded, the mattress-grade foam steps are nice and sturdy, and though they're the tallest stairs on our list, they only suit dogs up to 100 pounds. You can feel good about your doggo using these stairs day in and day out. Available in a wide range of colors to suit your decor, this pick is made in the US. Although they're lightweight enough to move around the house, they don't fold, so you're stuck with the bulky shape once you've unboxed the stairs. You can, however, wash the cover if you need to. Number 5. Top Mart High-Density Foam Dog Steps. Don't have the space for a ramp, but worried about how your dog, small dogs in particular, will handle stairs? These foam dog stairs have a unique scalloped design that make them a sort of stair ramp hybrid that's easier on joints. The downside to this? The foam can only support up to 60 pounds. The stairs come in multiple tiers, so you can choose based on the size of your dog and the area they need to reach. No matter which version you choose, you'll love that the corduroy cover is machine washable. Unfortunately, it doesn't compress, making storage a bit trickier. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.